Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to install Shopify apps. First thing first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and on the left sidebar, click Apps, then Shopify App Store. Browse or search for apps you want to add, and then once you find an interesting app, click on it to open the details page. You'll see a description of what apps does, pricing information, user ratings and reviews, and also required permissions. On the apps page, click the install button, and if you're already logged into your store, Shopify will show an overview page with all permissions of the app requires and what data it will access or share. Just click install app again to confirm, and Shopify will automatically install the app in the background. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the apps dashboard within Shopify. Once installed, you can adjust settings from apps in your Shopify admin, follow any setup guides provided by the app developer, and start using your app to enhance your store's performance. Just a tip, you can manage all Unisale apps anytime from apps, then app and sales channel settings in your Shopify admin. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.